In this video, I'd like to show you how to add a subscription form to your site. We are going to work with a Mailcoach application, which has been set up at mailcoach.test, and I have another site called freek.dev.test, where I've already added a subscription form. Let's take a look at the HTML of the subscription form. As you can see, it is very simple. We just have an input type email with a name of email and a submit button. The only thing missing in this form is the action. You can find the value you need to paste there in the email list settings on Mailcoach. So I'm going to email list settings, and when I scroll a bit down, I see the subscription section. I need to enable this option and copy this action. This is the action that I need. Let's save the form and use that action in our form. Let's test it out. I'm going to the subscription form and I'm going to try to subscribe myself. So freek@spatie.be and subscribe. For this list, I've required confirmation. So Mailcoach displays this screen. Let's take a look in Mailcoach if we really have a pending subscriber now. So I'm going back to subscribers, and sure enough, freek@spatie is listed here as an unconfirmed user. If you want to, you can customize this screen. To do this, you must add a hidden field to your subscription form. The hidden field should be named like this. I've already set up a page for this site at freek.dev.test confirm. Let's try subscribing again. So I'm going to refresh the page. I'm going to try to subscribe with another email address. And I should see the custom confirmation page. Here it is. And of course, I should see the second unconfirmed user. Mailcoach offers a few other redirects as well. It can perform a redirect after the subscriber has been confirmed, after it has been unsubscribed, and so on. Check our documentation to learn more about that. I'd like to show you one thing more, and that is how you can automatically add a tag when subscribing. Imagine your site has multiple subscription forms, and you want to know which subscription form was used. To simulate this situation, I'm just going to duplicate this form and I'm going to add a little bit of styling here. Let's take a look at it in the browser. Let's refresh it. And you can see that we have two forms here. In a real-world application, these forms would probably exist on separate pages. Next, there are two things that need to be set up at Mailcoach. First, you must create some tags that we could use. And I've already created some tags, subscribed via first form and subscribed via second form. And next, we must allow these tags to be used when subscribing. You can do this at the email list settings. So here I can specify which tags are allowed to be used. And I'm going to choose them both and save. Next up, we must add hidden fields to our form. So after this one, I'm going to add a hidden field called tags. And it has the value of the tag itself. So subscribed via first form. And I'm going to copy paste that to the second form. And here I'm going to rename the tag subscribed via second form. Let's go back to the browser, refresh to make sure that those hidden fields are there. Now I'm going to add freek first form at spatie.be here. I'm going to submit it again, but using the second form, freek second form at spatie.be. Let's take a look in Mailcoach at the subscribers list, and here you can see that the right tags have been used for the right subscribers. There are several other options you can use when creating a form subscription. To learn more about them, head over to the Mailcoach documentation.